So this is our deliberation for the selection of STCS Award. We are interviewing the candidates. Could you tell us why we should choose you bilang recipient ng Best Thesis Award?
Sir, I think...
Any questions for Ms. Joy?
Since ang study natin is comparative, comparison eh. So, if babasahin natin yung study mo, kunyari, mag-i-engage ako into smoke fresh. Okay, so, ano magre-recommend mo sa akin? Are we going to stick ba sa traditional method or ipatakong processing method based on your studies?
Yung experience mo in the conduct of your thesis, how did it help you to grow professionally?
Natuto po ako makipagsalamuha po sa ibang tao. Lalong-lalo na po, medyo mahihayin din kasi ako sa doc. Professionally po, parang I think makaka-help po yung sa akin sa, lalo na po, graduating kami, mag-work na po kami.
Explain mo yung role nung chicharon para makapag-apply pa sa yung pinaka-essence ng research mo para at least
Surprising.
tulungan yung mga
So yung po, yung flowchart po ng supply, ay ng commodity, which is from raw materials.
So there are how many actors in the chain?
Four.
Four.
Bakit ikaw dapat? Hindi naman pwedeng lahat kayo mananalo.
Ako po yung dapat na kasi